Hi, what is going on, everyone? Happy Saturday. I hope you are having a beautiful weekend ahead of you. Today, I wanted to create this video to share with you my insights on various stocks that I think are going to have bull runs heading into the new year. We know that, at least in the small caps, it's been hitting hard when it comes to share prices going on a downward trajectory. However, what goes down can't always remain on the bottom low, and that's why I think this is an opportunity for all of us to take advantage of buying stocks at a discount. I'll share with you my reasons why from a fundamental and technical standpoint, but just wanted to say thank you all for supporting this channel at All I See Is W, where we talk about finance, investing, and self-development. Now, the first ticker I wanted to talk about is Enzolytics, ticker ENZC. The reason why this company is going to have bull runs is because we know that its pipeline, its technology for anti-HIV AIDS is making significant breakthroughs. We know companies like Gilead are the main drivers in this type of arena. However, with Enzolytics proprietary technology, it can definitely take market share. And from my assessment, I believe that the current share price right now, from a fundamental standpoint, just focusing on price alone, this is very undervalued. We know back in February, within the year duration, share price catapulted close to like 85 cents, and now the actual share price is at 6 cents. If you want to execute, buy low, sell high. What to buy? This company is in the biotech sector. We know the entire biotech sector, at least in the small cap space, has taken hits. And that's why knowing what to buy, Enzolytics is a valuable company that's positioned for success. It won't go out of business. When to buy? Well, you're buying it at the low point right now. And when to sell? Sell it when it's going to appreciate, whether that's 300%, 1,000% in gains. And there you go. That's one ticker play I wanted to share with you. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is Ocugen, ticker OCGN. In fact, this company, the share price did catapult as well, similar to like Enzolytics in the early quarter of 2021, similar to most biotech companies. However, the current share price yesterday at the opening, it was around the mid $5, and then including the aftermarket closure, it went up to about the mid $6 range. It ran up close to about 15%. Why? Well, the company had just announced that it has submitted its investigational new drug submission to the health authority to start phase 3 clinical trials to evaluate safety and efficacy. That's huge news for its Covaxin COVID-19 vaccine pipeline that's being evaluated on a larger patient population. And this can really be valuable for the company in the coming year of 2022, 2023. And for this reason, I have no reason to believe that share price cannot reach its prior resistance, getting back up to the mid 20 range, at least in 2022. That's my key takeaway with Covaxin and its main company, Ocugen, driving it forward with where it currently is right now. So definitely undervalued as well, similar to like Enzolytics. Next company I wanted to talk about is Vaxart, ticker VXRT. This company is based out in South San Francisco, working on a unique drug with a different mode of delivery. So rather than taking like a vaccine in your arm, you're actually taking an oral pill medication to help with combating the COVID-19. In fact, this week, the prior week, they actually released news that now they're focused on cross-reactivity evaluation studies with the Omicron variant strain of the SARS-CoV-2. That's huge because in phase 2 clinical trials, the company can then evaluate the results on the test experiments being run by this variant strain and to see whether its drug product can deliver safety and efficacy on variant strains as well. If and when this company is able to demonstrate that it can provide clinical benefits over the risk implications, share price is going to start running very quickly. And where the current share price is today, I mean, it was at the low $6. Now it's ramped up to the $7. I firmly believe that it can start getting back up to the low 20s and then start catapulting up, at least in 2022 when we see biotech companies take off. I'm telling you, biotech is going to take off. In 2020, it took off. And then late 2020, 2021, it's been just on a downward trajectory. However, momentum, money flows, investment cash is going to flow back into biotech. And I'm going to tell you it's going to come in 2022. So that's my assessment. Next company stock is iBio, ticker IBIO. Why do I like this company so much? Well, not only does it not cost a lot for this company to produce its drug products, given the fact that it leverages plant-based technology with its proprietary technology, Fast Farm. It is leveraging plant-based technology using the collagen from plants, where it has entities like Texas A&M growing plants and then harvesting the plants to produce its vaccines, whether it's for fibrosis, whether it's for the COVID-19 vaccine. But that's looking very positive when you look at this from a long-term scale, because biotech companies that are researching this type of arena, they're not going away. And we know that with respiratory viruses, with it changing on a constant basis, these companies are going to be at the forefront to really research and develop valuable types of treatments in the long run when it comes to building human immunity. So that's why, for this reason, I think that iBio will start catapulting up. We know that in 2020 Q2, the share price ran all the way up to $7, right? So we know the potential in this company. It's just that when you invest in biotech, you have to remain patient. That's why I'm a long holder of iBio as well, and I'm going to play this long term. And I firmly believe in Tom Isaac's strategy. We just have to let time, just remain patient with these type of investments. And if you're a long-term investor, you will be awarded. And that's just the name of the game with investing. You gotta remain patient. Dollar cost average down when share prices are low. And with the whole proposal of doing the reverse split, I mean, while most folks would agree that we wouldn't want the reverse split, when you think about it, just let Tom Isaac make the decision. He's assembled a solid team and they know what they're doing. They're coming from large-scale companies, and let them add value and let them implement on their business strategy. Share price wise, I firmly believe in 2022, we're looking at like $3 at a minimum. And we know the potential that it can ramp all the way up to $7. So that's only halfway of what it previously ran all the way up to. Next stock I wanted to talk about is INND, ticker Innerscope Hearing Technologies, a medical device company that produces hearing aids, currently priced at like low 1, close to 2 cents. I firmly believe that it can run back up to its prior resistance, getting up to like the 9 cents. We know that the CEO has been making huge acquisitions, where one of the largest suppliers that works with Walmart for selling of like hearing aids, INND actually acquired them, and now we're seeing actual revenue sales come in for the company. So it's interesting to see in the long term how the balance sheet will start growing, and that's only going to be positive, where INND will start gaining market share in this type of arena. So that's Innerscope Hearing Technologies, a hot hidden gem play that will start catapulting in 2022 from my perspective. Another company I wanted to share with you is Skye Bioscience, ticker SKYE. They're focused in the glaucoma space, currently very undervalued at the low 6 cents right now. It previously ran all the way up to 26 cents in Q2 of this year. And while OTCs got really hit, small cap companies, I firmly believe that 2022, given the fact that it's going to start human clinical trials within the few months into the new year, it's going to be huge, with anticipation of starting phase 2 clinical trials towards the later half of 2022, I have firm belief that this company is going to head in the right direction. Also, neuroprotection studies will be announced, including toxicology data, as well as results on its pre-IND meeting with the Food and Drug Administration. So lots of great news ahead of us, and I believe that with the milestone achievements that will be achieved by Skye Bioscience, led by Puneet Dhillon, the CEO, this company, the share price will start catapulting back up to its prior resistance. And I firmly believe if you hold this long term, it's going to the $3 to $10 range from my perspective, holding it long term. So those are the stocks I wanted to share with you in terms of just hidden gem biotech plays that will start ramping up in the year 2022. In fact, most people are very fearful right now with investing, but hey, what goes down must go up. And for those reasons, I hope that this video gave you insight on some hidden gem plays. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more related content. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm just so grateful. I wanted to express my gratitude for those of you who really supported this channel with the expansion. Much love, respect. Have a great day. Goodbye, all.